Alright, y'all, what it is? This your boy Drago, the CEO. You already know what's going on, man. You feel me? I'm tuned in with
Lil Crenny.
yes, sir. And y'all, today I'm gonna show y'all what it's like going to a car meet, you know. So I done got ready. First of all, some places the police keep shutting it down. So you really gotta be plugged in to get the addresses at some spots. That's just some spots. Or like you gotta be able to get put in the close friends to get the next addy or something like that, because they can't keep posting it on social media. Cause you know what I mean, it's a lot of ops out here and they be snitching. You know. Right now I'm at one right now. It's usually out near the DC area. Right now I'm at a big car meet, so y'all gonna see a lot of action. This is like the whole DMV, Jersey, Philly out here. So y'all gonna see a lot of everything for real, for real. And we gonna get straight into that. I just wanted to show y'all that this is a little intro for real, show y'all what's going on right now. Right now we in the middle of, we at the first spot and we on our way to the second spot. I'm plugged in for real. Well, I ain't plugged in, I just got the plug is plugged in, and they be dropping me the addresses earlier. So yeah, let's get to it. This next one is an intersection, I believe. So like, usually they in a parking lot swinging, this time we blocking up traffic with it. And let's get to it. So this is one of the things that be happening for real. So my plug is not texting me back.
Shit,
I got the location, but as soon as I pulled out, the police was already here. A lot of people didn't even know this location, you feel me? You really had to be plugged in, which means it was really a snitch out here for real. Now I'm waiting for the next addy. I'm pulled over on the side of the road. Let me show y'all real quick. And as you can see, I'm not the only one right here, you feel me? This was a location, but now I guess we're waiting for the next location.
Alright, what it is, y'all, we just put up to the first location, me and my man Screening, right? Now, this little walk right here, this is a little walk you gotta take, because me personally, I don't park very close, so when the police come, I can escape easily, and I don't gotta look at all these cars, man. Nobody got time for all that, you feel me? So we're gonna take that nice little walk, get some exercise, and we're gonna walk to the pit. Yo, look at all these people, man. Mind you, this is a DMV car meet, so you got DC, Maryland, Virginia, Jersey, Philly, all of them coming out here, you feel me? They came down to Maryland to, yeah, we gonna turn up real quick. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we gonna walk through the crowd. You know, we gonna squeeze our way through the little front for real. And yeah, we gonna get straight into it. And then y'all gonna start seeing the cars swing. You already know what's up. Get past everybody for real. We may can't get to the front, but let's go. Y'all ready? Oh my God! You know, we gonna have people hanging out the windows waiting to die. And then, hold on, wait for that. You gonna have people running in the middle of the cars are coming. Like, they just wanna die. They come to the car to die. And the Infinity saved the day. Now, some would say, all because of this Infinity right here, cause this Dodge Charger to swing. And, yo, guess what happens? Somebody gets hit. Now, of course, everybody gonna run over there. For what? To get them on video? That's crazy. But, yeah.
Hit out here, bro. Don't get hit out here, bro. Make sure you paying attention out here.
Hey man, you even got some people hanging out with the back of the trunks. Living their best life, man. Oh my gosh, you can't forget about the cameraman, of course. Hello, man, on the whole circle just to get that angle, man. Them angles mad. Don't be trying to say, yeah, y'all. And y'all got them out there. Make sure y'all got a good count, man. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Yo, he's looking around the whole circle. Around the whole circle for that view. Hey, man, you're gonna be a cameraman. You gotta be dedicated. Man, to be honest, quite frankly, if you ain't coming in like this, go home. Just go home. You know, even at times it may get hot. Woo! Oh yeah, by the way, if you see a car stop and they start spraying that tire, just run to it. Just run to it. That's what everybody do.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.